Why plane tires don't burst on landing explained. For many of us, air travel is a familiar part of modern life. Among the most exhilarating parts of a flight are takeoff and landing. Yet, for some, these moments can be quite daunting. When a massive aircraft descends from the sky and makes contact with a solid concrete runway, the sheer pressure on the tires is immense. Passengers often feel the jolt, giving a hint of the enormous forces at play. It is, in fact, a marvel of engineering that aircraft tires can endure such pressure multiple times a day without failure. But what exactly makes these tires so incredibly durable? Aircraft tires are constructed from a specialized blend of synthetic rubber compounds, reinforced with materials such as aluminium, steel, and nylon. This robust composition enables them to withstand the enormous loads generated during landings, often several thousand tons. Remarkably, each tire weighs around 110 kilograms and is designed to function under extreme conditions without bursting. Nanan Brandy, a tire specialist at Goodyear, explains that aircraft tires are inflated to much higher pressures than standard vehicle tires, twice that of lorry tires and 6 times that of car tires. This high pressure significantly strengthens the tire's structure, enabling it to support the immense weight of the aircraft during takeoff and landing. Rather than being filled with regular air, these tires are inflated using nitrogen. Nitrogen, an inert and non-flammable gas, is preferred over compressed air due to its stability. It is less affected by fluctuations in temperature and pressure, reducing the risk of combustion from friction-generated heat. Thanks to this, aircraft tires can safely absorb the high-speed impact of landing without overheating or bursting. These tires are capable of withstanding pressure up to 900 pounds per square inch. A typical passenger aircraft is fitted with around 20 tires. Each tire can endure approximately 500 landings before it requires retreading, that is, a process in which a new tread is applied to extend its life. This can be done up to 7 times, meaning a single tire may be used for up to 3,500 landings. However, nose wheel tires generally wear out faster than main gear tires due to different stress patterns. Changing an aircraft tire is no small task. It generally requires 2 skilled technicians and can take up to an hour. The aircraft is raised just 5 centimeters, barely enough to fit a thumb beneath the tire. Technicians begin by removing the hubcap and reducing the pressure from 200 psi to 30 psi to prevent accidents when loosening bolts. One technician protects the axle sleeve while the other uses a lifting tool to extract the tire. Once removed, the sleeve is greased and the new tire is fitted. Aircraft tires are engineered to endure some of the harshest conditions any vehicle component can face. Manufacturers begin by creating a prototype and subject it to rigorous testing well beyond expected performance levels. These tests assess the tire's speed capabilities, load tolerance up to 38 tons, and durability under varying conditions. Unlike car tires, which have a block pattern tread, aircraft tires are designed with smooth grooves to aid water drainage during landings on wet runways. You might notice smoke coming from the tires when a plane lands. This happens because, at the moment of touchdown, the tires are not yet spinning. Instead, they skid against the runway until their rotational speed matches the aircraft's speed. Swipe left for next video. This friction causes a brief burst of smoke, which is perfectly normal and accounted for in the tire's design. So, the next time you fly and feel the bump of landing, take a moment to appreciate the complex engineering beneath you. Aircraft tires are built not only for strength but for safety, and thanks to continuous innovation, they rarely fail. Manufacturers leave no room for compromise when it comes to protecting passengers in the skies. Latest vlogs.